It is a very windy day here in Michigan. Very windy. And I'm nervous when my boys come out to go to the bathroom because, as you can see, let me walk down here. There's a branch here. I'm nervous to go under this tree. Oh my goodness, stuff is flying. Did you see one of my... Boy, it's really picking up. One of my chairs flew into my fire pit here. I'm scared to go under that tree because branches and pieces are just flying everywhere. You scared too, Miggy? Are you scared too? Yeah, but okay. I'm gonna go under here. See, another one just flung into the fence over there. There's branches breaking off all over the place. And I'm so scared. And this happens every windy day. Big pieces of this tree fall off. They're all over the yard. I'm so scared that one of these days, if this tree is dying, a big hunk of this tree is gonna fall on my boys. Even something like this. This happened when they weren't out here. I'm gonna go back on the porch. They gotta go to the bathroom. You guys gotta go to the bathroom. Yeah, you don't want to be out here either? I don't blame you. Looks like Marley's gonna go to the bathroom. But it makes me so nervous that a big tree branch is gonna fall. My husband says no, trees do this, but I don't know, guys. I might just be nervous about nothing. It just seems like there's so much dead and rotted pieces to this tree. I guess what's gonna happen is gonna happen no matter if I can control it or not. So I'm just trying to hurry up, let them out and get back in. Let them do their business. Hope nothing big falls on them. Hey guys, you need to hurry up and do your business. Okay guys, I'm just checking in on this crazy windy day. Well, it is the next day and we all survived the falling tree branches, didn't we, Miggy? Yes, we survived. We survived. My husband and my son had a fire last night, and when the wind died down, and burned a lot of the fallen tree branches. There's still some in the yard that we need to pick up, but I noticed, you guys, that some of the trees are they're getting their red color to them. Let's see if I can zoom in on this tree over here. Let's see. I don't know if I can or not. See the colors changing? They're starting to change. And there's leaves all over my backyard. The leaves are starting to fall and the colors are starting to change. And let me show you guys how cold it is right now. I'm freezing. I'm freezing. Yes, it's cold, Miggy. Let's see. It is 51 degrees. It's 10:30 right now. Yes, it is chilly this morning. Oh my goodness. After that little bit of rain and all that wind yesterday, we were out last night. We went to Red Robin with some friends of ours, and we were in there for a couple hours just jibber jabbing away, and we came out and it was so chilly. I was wishing I had a sweater on. Oh my goodness, it's just unreal. And I think today's the first day of fall. I'm thinking it's the first day of fall. What? I'm still in my pajama pants. Excuse the pajama pants lately. I've been hanging in my pajama pants when I don't have anything to do. Anyway, I wanted to come on here too and tell you guys I ordered, I shared on my Facebook page some doggy mats. You put them by the door that your dogs come in, and it's supposed to help with, let me kick this ball. I'll kick this ball while I'm talking to you so he stops barking. It's supposed to help with their wet feet and muddy feet and dirt on their feet when they come in. So I bought 2 of them, and it was pretty pricey. For 2, I think it came to $113. So I'm praying and crossing my fingers that they work. It had good reviews. Every product has some negative reviews, but most of them were good reviews. So I'm crossing my fingers they're gonna work and help with the dirty paws, because even with wiping their feet, you can't get everything. So we shall see. We're supposed to come tomorrow. We're supposed to show up tomorrow, so I'll have to do a video next week and let you know, show them to you and let you know how they work out. So if anybody else has those, let me know if you like them or how they work for you. Okay guys, just wanted to check in and say we survived the windstorm yesterday, and we will talk to you again soon. Bye.